Energy Storage Evolution Series product launch was grandly held in Pudong, Shanghai. The industry's first AI bionic liquid cooling commercial and industrial energy storage cabinet, Potential Blue Ocean 2, made its debut. This marks another breakthrough and transformation in the commercial and industrial energy storage track. Today we gather here to witness the unveiling of the remarkable products. Now, next, we will welcome Fan Lei to unveil the mysteries of Potential Blue Ocean 2. Greetings, welcome to the launch ceremony. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Trina launch ceremony. We have just passed the Dragon Boat Festival, and we are at the beginning of summer, and we are at the peak of CNI storage. Last year, Trina launched the Blue Ocean, and we have received a warm welcome from the market. And in this quarter, in this half year, we have seen changes in the customers' needs and the market dynamics. As we follow the evolution theory, the organisms need to adapt to the changes of the society and the environment. And we believe in our product development, we follow the same theory. We adapt our customers to the market's needs in the CNI. We optimize in thermal and the safety aspects of the product. We have the pleasure to welcome you here to witness together the evolution theory of CNI storage products. The market in the CNI market in China started in around quite early. In the early days, it's supported by the policy, and we can see the installed capacity has seen an elevation in the early years of development. With the recent years of policy support and cost rise and the price rise, the cost continue to dip, and we can expect in 2025 the global installed capacity will reach 20 gigawatt hour. China and the US will account for 50% of the installed capacity. The entire market size will exceed trillion yuan. With this expansion, capital continues to enter the market, but we have also seen the emergence of issues. We can see in some regions there are some safety accidents in CNI storage in comparison to other storage projects has an emphasis on the safety due to its closeness to the population dense areas. And we can also see in some projects in the early days the return on investment may not be satisfied. In the very early days when it's formulated, everything looked beautiful, but with the carrying out of the project, we can see some indicators fail to be reached, and this return on investment cannot be hit, and the ROI period has been extended. Some of the systems are unstable. Some of the times the system cannot be applied. Therefore, the entire return was diluted. And we have also said with the development of the policy and the development of the market, we have seen the scenarios of application emerging. We have focused on, for example, peak valley arbitrage and some other scenarios. With the change of the scenarios and growth of the customers and development of the market, some of the customers, some of the producers cannot adapt. They exit the market.
So how to excel ourselves amid this competition? Well, we focus on giving customer value and go with the market. And because of that, we now introduce to you all our Potential Blue Sea #2 as the first AI bionic liquid cooling CNI storage cabinet. First of all, it has a comprehensive safety design. We have also upgraded our architecture so as to greatly enhance the system efficiency and the cycle lives, so that customers could rest assured. At the same time, we also provide 24/7 pre-sale, middle sale, and after-sale operation and maintenance services, so that the entire project and entire system can be delivered as soon as possible and run smoothly. So eventually, the operation of this potential Blue Sea 2 can run smoothly. It can save time, save efforts, and save resources for our customers. So these are the parameters. As you can see, the entire capacity is 261 kilowatt hours, and the overall efficiency is over 90%, and the recycle lives is over 8,000 times. That means the entire gains over the life cycle is greatly enhanced. Also, the safety and stability are also upgraded. We have several layers of protection measures and the fireproofing systems. Well, under the harsh test of nature, animals have evolved through billions of years to form a perfect defense structure. And similarly, we have also incorporated safe concepts into every aspect of our product development and research. So, strong performance is just one aspect. Reliability and safety are also crucial. So first of all, in this Blue Sea 2, we have this grade A+ storage dedicated batteries. We have also used the patented separator, which could increase the thermal resistance capability by 20%. Also, we have this ceramic composite coating, which could stand 1,000 Celsius degrees. Also, we have this 1-to-1 monitor point, temperature monitor point, and our cloud big data learning system can also help us monitor the operation status of the system, increase the parameters and performance so as to further enhance its efficiency and security. When we see any abnormalities, we could just shut down the system. It has a millisecond short circuit fusing mechanism and release the aerosols and other elements to start the fire in first instance. So this is the top vent. This is the top vent window, as you can see on the top. And the shell is anti-fire or flame retardant resistance. It can have a 3 hours fire resistance capacity. At the same time, we have submerged water firefighting capability and also the 5-in-1 detector. All of these can just prevent the bad things from happening in first instance. In terms of the safety alarm, we have lots of safety detector points. In each cell, each cabinet, and each cluster, we could monitor the entire performance, and we have over 200 risk factor warning items so as to ensure full coverage. Well, as animals continue to learn and adapt, Trinasolar and Trina Storage also continue to learn and adapt to optimize and enhance the economic benefits so as to bring more value to our users. This is the Trina Smart Cloud platform. It could in real time monitor the load as well as the power. So we could use AI algorithm and other technologies to adjust the charge and discharge strategies even when the PV generation is unstable, the load is unstable, and the distributed electricity price is adjusted constantly. And by using this combination, we could increase the efficiency by 1.5%. Furthermore, this liquid cooling technology could also help us reduce the aeration and further increase the system efficiency. The bionic piping at the bottom of this structure could help us do the thermal venting, and the temperature difference can be within 10 Celsius degrees, hence enhancing the lifetime of the cells. And here you can see not just that, the floor occupation is also smaller. As you can see, the above is our potential blue C1 and the bottom is potential blue C2. And in terms of floor occupation, it is 38% less than the blue C1. And this is about the brand new chiller cell architecture. As you can see, the single machine discharge of this blue C2 can discharge over 1,700 kilowatt hours per year, and the whole lifetime cycle gains is over 40% more. That means comparing to other products, the recycle period of our product is just 3 to 4 years. And as animal communities, they rely on teamwork and efficient tools to improve their competitiveness. So is Trinasolar and Trina Storage. Well, we know that other than the product, professional services and timely response are also key for us to win the market. So we have constantly stick to our principle of customer-centric and provide professional solutions. We know that the earlier the delivery, the earlier the gains. So to ensure customers could receive the revenues generated from PV power, we provide customers with these digital tools. For instance, by using the one on the left, you could just do auto adjustment within 10 minutes. And we could also use this to provide alarms and solution suggestions for our operators and maintenance personnel. Meanwhile, you could also use your mobile and other interface to enter into our platform so as to monitor the gains and the performance in real time. This not only increases the O&M efficiency, but also ensure the gains are protected. This is about the floating center mechanism. This is a decentralized mechanism, so every equipment in the system can be simply removed if it's down, and other equipments or the rest of the equipments in the network can continue to run normally without being affected. For customers with O&M capabilities, we also provide them with digitalized tools and platforms as well as synergized strategies. So those O&M personnel, they could just focus on managing the areas that they are responsible for so as to help them increase their working efficiency. So this is about our 24/7 online services and our pre-sale, during sale, and after-sale services. After receive the order, we will just respond. After receive the inquiry, we will just respond within 1 minute, and within 5 minutes, our professional engineers will give you a reply and a solution within 30 minutes. And we commit to you that we'll give you the full solution within 24 hours. And also, we guarantee to you that your satisfactory is our command, and we will not stop working hard until you are satisfied with our services and our solutions. Meanwhile, we'll continue to expand our product application scenarios so as to make our product more adaptable and more stable. Also, our Blue Sea number 2 can work well under harsh environments. For instance, it can work well in the northeast where it's very cold, and it could also work in the east coastal area where it's very humid. It could also work in those islands where corrosion may be a big issue. Also, it's rather quiet. So it could also be used in areas, for instance, in the residential areas or in commercial complex, where the noise control is rather strict. So potential Blue Sea 2 is made in China and looks for serving the world. From Zhejiang to Guangdong, from China to the world, we see that our Blue Sea number 2 can be applied and can serve customers around the world and in different scenarios. Our system, our solutions, and our services can all be flexibly adapted and adjusted. And our system and our systems are module-based. It's like Lego blocks. It's like Lego blocks. You could just freely combine different modules to suit your needs. And the Blue Sea number 2 314 cell integrates advanced security strategy and temperature control technologies. Our bionic design not only ensure safe, sound, and efficient storage solutions for our customers, but also can be run under different scenarios and different temperatures. So thank you very much, dear participants and dear audience, for being here, and thank you for listening to this presentation. So, well, that's that. And before we move on to the next part, let me introduce to you again our online cafe activity. We have a special giveaway prepared for all of you. Repost Trina Cafe live stream posts, tag at Trinasolar, and share your story with Trinasolar or insights gained from the live. You could be one of the 30 winners to receive a customized mug. And next, we'd like to invite Chen Shouzhong, Du Dongya, and Lin Jian to unveil the center. And we're now moving on to the center unveiling inauguration ceremony. This is the inauguration ceremony of the Trina Storage System Integration Engineering Center. As a leader in the solar storage industry, Trinasolar's brand value is trusted by global customers and guided by the carbon peak and carbon neutrality goals and supported by global photovoltaic customers. Trinasolar actively expands overseas markets demand through high quality and reliable products and services in its strategic layout. And to provide better services and create higher value for customers, Trina Storage System Integration Engineering Center will now be officially inaugurated by these distinguished guests. Here we'd like to welcome Chen Shouzhong, Sun Wei, Du Dongya, and Lin Jian to help us unveil the center. It looks like Du Dongya is not here. That's fine. Okay, now let's join me in counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Unveil.
Now I announce the official establishment of the Trina Storage System Integration Engineering Center. I'd like to ask Mr. Lin Jian to remain on the stage, and the rest of the guests, you can take your seat. The next part will be a presentation from Mr. Lin Jian to introduce this newly established center. Greetings, everyone. Now it's my part to introduce the Integration Engineering Center that we have just established. Next slide. Trina Storage aims to build a high-quality storage, to create high-quality stations. They must feature safety, reliability, balancing the cost requirements. And an important part I'd like to highlight is engineering delivery. That encompasses three aspects. One, the speed. The second, on-site installation and commissioning. And also, we want to emphasize defect rectification during grid connection and operation. We first of all are aware of some issues residing in this process. If you have done this before, you would have felt the pain. You are encountered with some unforeseeable issues. Some of those issues need the coordination of suppliers, the coordination, the harmonization of the communication protocols. These are some of the underlying issues. In particular, if you want to run some on-site testing, this will create even more troubles. So what we thought was to deal with the complexity within the Trina team and allow the simplicity to remain with the customers. The storage system, we aim to provide a worry-free solution and services to our customers. In order to do that, we have established the three centers. The one located in China, second in Europe, and third in North America. That's what we aim to build. And the purpose of the three centers is to safeguard the delivery with three comprehensive capabilities. The first comprehensive capability is the complete standardization, allowing efficient and convenient delivery. We standardize the product portfolio solutions, regional market configuration schemes, key components, communication protocols, and supply chain management. And the second aspect is the comprehensive testing, providing reliable data. We build a megawatt level system verification platform, establish the dynamic application database, the CNAS level environmental chamber, the temperature range could be -20 to 80 degrees. And we have provided carbon level reliability verification, high precision HIL simulation platform, simulate global regulatory requirements and full life cycle working conditions. This can also be simulated so as to optimize the control strategies and energy management. The third aspect is the global certification, providing quality assurance. We have obtained certification from GBT, UN, UL, IEC, ISO. These are important safeguards for our quality assurance. With this, you can be rest assured about the delivery, and we would like to address the customer service issues. We have centers for training, call center, on-site services, maintenance, quality assurance, project management, and this is what we call a closed-loop localized service support program. Trina have delivered altogether 5 gigawatt-hour globally. The S&P Global 2023 Energy Storage System Integrator ranking, we ranked top 10 in China and top 3 in the UK market. And in the BNEF Energy Storage Product and System Integrator Bankability, we are ranked the top 5 globally. In the BNEF Global Tier 1 Energy Storage Manufacturer list, we are ranked as Tier 1. We were awarded JET certification and the first Chinese brand of home storage batteries to be listed in the Japanese government subsidy catalog. This concludes my presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Lin Jian, for your presentation. I'd also like to invite you to scan the QR code. This can be scanned to participate in today's survey. So So just now, Lin Jian has introduced our headquarters Integration Engineering Center. It was mentioning that our Integration Engineering Center in North America and Europe are also under construction, which is a key part of our strategic plan. Stay tuned for more updates. Next, we will showcase the unique charm of Trina Storage products. Also, if you find today's live stream helpful, please share it with more friends so that more people can benefit. Share the live stream and your takeaways with the tag to the Trinasolar for a chance to win our customized mug. Do not hesitate to spread the word. The next sharing session, before that, the next sharing session comes from Li Ming, who is the director.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to SNEC 2024, the Trina Storage SNEC exhibition. Today, we are going to show you about the booth tour. I'm Richard from Global Brand and Marketing Department. So we have bring the several various type of the Trina Storage product portfolios bring to here, and we'd like to show you about the whole our product family members. First of all, we'd like to introduce you about the Trina cell, which is fully self-development, in-house, the battery cells unit. The first of all is 280 ampere-hour, and 360 ampere-hour, 314 ampere-hour, and more than 500 ampere-hour for the capacities. And we have all the cells over 12,000 life cycles. So now we move on to our utility power station. For here, we bring to the brand new generations for G3 Elementa, which is have 7 megawatt hours capacities, and bring to the new capacities generations. Here's about our Trina Storage Cloud Intelligence Center. Is showing you to all the energy flows with all power stations for the utility scenarios. We also provide the grid load storage integration solutions for utility scenarios and the application of energy storage technology in the microgrid scenarios. So what about our USPs for the microgrid scenarios is we have the high efficiency, the modularized design, and intelligence management, which is all integrated intelligence and automatic power management. And also all the products are super safe and reliable. Our technical advantages is we have the rapid responsibilities and long lifespan and environmental friendlies. Our service, we provided for the contribution and deliveries, the comprehensive lifecycle services, and we also provide the pre-sales, the product design. So let's move on our utilities power stations, the brand new Elementa 2. So here is our brand new Elementa 2 products, which has 5 mega hour capacities. As you can see, we have totally 6 doors, is 20 feet containers. So for each component, we have the 8 battery packs, and so totally we have 48 battery packs in total. For all the battery packs, we integrated the BMS and EMS systems. So what is the advantages of Element 2? We have optional performances, comprehensive safety, the highly intelligent operation and maintenance, and the ultra safety investment. All the products in Trina Storage we totally use for our self-development, the Trina cells. For this type of the Elementa 2, we use a 314 ampere-hour battery cells. We also support it with centralized, distributed, and string configurations for AC and DC coupling technologies. So all the products are designed for 25 life cycles with all the battery packs for multi-levels of fire extinguishers. And they also have the battery packs levels and the whole component levels for the fire protections. So let's move to our brand new residential storage system. And for this time, we also bring to our residential storage energy systems with two different type of products. One of it is three-phase PCS, and the other one is single-phase PCS. It is facing to all the European countries, for the European regions and the other regions for the products. So on the left-hand side is our three-phase PCS with battery packs combinations. This is for all the residential storage energy system. The name of it is called the Nexus. So this one is the three-phase PCS, and the supply power is generated by our multi-class plus modules from here. When the energy flows come from the solar panels, and then we will go through the PCS, and then we will install. We store the electricity into the battery packs. So for here we have several packs. For each battery pack is 5 kilowatt hours. When the electricity is stored into the battery packs, and also supplying the electricity through the PCS to our walls, whatever is the microwave or the refrigerators, and the PCS is also connected to the grid. It could provide the shadow management for your solar panels and do the energy optimizing. And we also could do the peak shaving for save your electricity cost. And here is our single phase product. We are facing to Italy and England and other countries. So the PCS is produced in Europe, and with high qualities, and all the battery packs are super safe and super reliable and very easy to install. As you can see, our battery packs can provide two installations method. One is for stacking, like the three-phase just shown, and we also could provide the wall mounted. That means you can easily install it in your garage or in your indoor scenarios. And this as the same is very similar. It's also connected to the grid, and the power generated from the solar panels could be installed into the battery packs. For both residential storage energy systems, we also provide the 2-day pass solutions. We have very professionals and very technical engineering for the after-sales supported. And here we'll move to on our CNI scenarios products for our brand new G2 Potentia. So here is our brand new Potentia for our commercial and industrial scenario. For our commercial and industrial scenarios. As you can see, we provided the capacities of our Potentia is 261 kilowatt hours, and our products provided over 8,000 life cycles time, and highest efficiency is over 90%. So all the products we provided for 10 years warranties, and we also use our 314 ampere hour Trina cells. And all the battery packs you can see is showing we integrated the BMS, and we also have the PCS showing them from here. And then let's move on to our Cell 2 system, which is a brand new generations and the new concept. As you can see, this is no battery packs, no air conditioning, and we also have the PCS showing them from here. And then let's move on to our Cell 2 system, which is a brand new generations and the new concept. As you can see, this is no battery packs, no air conditioning, and we also have the PCS showing them from here. and the combinations of our sales and directly to our systems. Thanks for your time with me, and thank you for visiting for our Trina Storage, all the product series, and all the products families. If you have any questions, please contact us onto our official website and connect to our technical colleagues. We will provide very professionals provided for any questions below. Please leave comments and your phone numbers or emails any connections method through the website. For any questions, we are glad to help and provide the service to you. This is the end of the Trinasolar the booth tour, and we'll see you tomorrow for 10 o'clock a.m. at Beijing time for our Trina Traders